You start strong. Day 1 feels powerful. Day 3 feels heavy. By week 2, you disappear. The plan was clear. The goal mattered. Somewhere in the middle, your energy drops and you quietly walk away. You do not quit at the beginning. You quit halfway. If this sounds like you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video to your friends. Stay with me because this is where the pattern ends. The real enemy is comfort after effort. You push hard at the start. You feel proud. You see progress. Then your brain relaxes. It tells you that you have done enough. You take a longer break. You loosen your structure. The tension that kept you focused disappears. Once tension drops, discipline fades. You mistake early momentum for completion. You celebrate too soon. That is why you stop. The samurai trained for continuation, not excitement. They did not depend on emotion to carry them. They built rhythm in Zen practice. When a sword is drawn, the strike is completed fully. No hesitation. No half movement, no dramatic burst followed by collapse, steady execution. The lesson is simple. Your strength is not in how intensely you begin. It is in how consistently you continue. Here is how you stop quitting halfway. First, set a minimum daily standard, not a perfect target. A non-negotiable action you complete every single day. 30 minutes of focused work, 50 push-ups, 1 page written, even on low-energy days. Especially on low-energy days, this protects your identity. Second, track streaks, not results. Results rise and fall. Streaks build proof. Every completed day is evidence that you are someone who finishes. You are not chasing motivation. You are building reliability. Third, end each work session with 1 small task left unfinished. Leave a sentence half written. Leave the next step clear and visible. When you return, you do not start from zero. You continue. Continuation kills hesitation. If you follow this, something shifts inside you. You stop depending on emotion. You respect structure. Some days feel average, some feel heavy. You show up anyway. Weeks pass, then months. One day, you notice something different. The project you once abandoned is complete. The goal you used to fear is finished. You are no longer the person who quits halfway. You are the person who completes what he starts. Be honest with yourself. What is one goal you walked away from before it paid off? And are you ready to go back and finish it?